everyone? It's been quite a while since I last uploaded a video to YouTube, and I thought it's about time. Today we're going to be playing as the new killer, the Artist. She is currently on the public test build, and let me tell you, she is powerful. So let's talk about her 3 new perks first. Her 3 perks are Scourge Hook Pain Resonance, Grim Embrace, and Hex Pentimento. Scourge Hook Pain Resonance is very powerful in my opinion. It is a lesser effect of Pop Goes the Weasel, but the thing is it activates 4 random hooks on the map, and after you hook any survivor on those hooks, the generator with the most progress will lose 15%, which is crazy good. I think this is a very good perk. I'm very happy that they've added something like this. Grim Embrace is similar to Barbecue and Chili in the fact that it has 4 tokens that stack up after you get a unique hook on every single survivor. After you get all 4 of your stacks, all of the generators in the entire map will be blocked for 30 seconds. And then on top of that, you can also see your Obsession's aura for 4 seconds, allowing you to get into a very easy chase. And then we have Hex Pentimento. This perk is so bad. Let me explain a little something right before we actually read into this perk. This perk is not your traditional Hex Totem, because it doesn't spawn immediately. However, what it is after someone destroys a totem or cleanses it as it's put, you can rekindle a totem, which means that I can put up a hex. It doesn't mean that I can put up any sort of ruin hex or undying hex. It adds these effects that you see here. 1 rekindled totem decreases survivor's healing speed by 30%. It means that the survivor has to cleanse a totem, you have to go to that totem, and then put it back up. Putting it back up gives them that 30% healing reduction. However, the survivors can re-cleanse that totem, and then it just goes away. You don't have that stack anymore. So they no longer have the 30% healing reduction. You can only rekindle a totem once. And getting 5 rekindled totems, it's never gonna happen. Like, I don't think it's ever going to happen in any sort of game you're playing. Especially with boon totems being a thing where people are just going to boon up the totem and it's not going to be cleansed. It's worthless. If I'm being 100% honest, this perk is not worth running. Alright, and if we get into her power here, as you can see, she throws those crows. These crows are very, very powerful. They can be used for zoning, damaging, and recon. And I'll get into that later when we get into a match, because reading this ability here, you're not going to understand it. If I were to be playing her in live servers, I'm thinking something like 4 gen regression perks would be her best build or best perk build. We have Scourge Hook Pain Resonance, Grim Embrace, and Jolt all being the gen regression perks. If I had to, I would potentially put Pop Goes the Weasel instead of Devour Hope. I just have Devour Hope in hopes of getting some Mori value out of it. So it looks like introductions are out of the way. Looks like we're going to ready up and get into our first match here. Alright, so here we are getting into our match. Right now we have 2 flashlights just as items. Shouldn't be much of a problem. Alright, here we are. We're on Azeroth's resting place. This is a map I haven't played on yet with her. Damn, nice dodge. Still a hit out. Goes down. I can't even pick him up. You got him. No siree. Hit there. Goes down. Pick up. Onto a Scourge Hook. Good hit. Away. Going down. They can get this flashlight save. No flashlight save. Scourge Hook! Break more gens! That is nasty. so nasty. Where'd he go? Oh, he's still here. Okay. Fair play. Can you pick up? You can hook here. Hello? He's my obsession too!
Enemy spotted.
We hit him with birds. Not using his power effectively enough. Alright, we got him though. That is a fat 4K. Alright, so as most of you know, the lobby PTB queue times are very, very long and very, very boring, and I just sit here and wait for hours. So for this next match, I'm going to bring the Inky Egg, and I'm going to bring the Still Life Crow, and I'm going to check out what this add-on combo does for her, because I actually haven't played around with her add-ons too much. I just know that a lot of these effects are going to be pretty good. And also, while we're still in this queue hell here, I would like to advertise my Twitch channel. I don't know if you guys have been following this YouTube channel very long or not, but as you know, I haven't uploaded on this channel in a very long time, but I have been streaming over on Twitch, and I recently just got my sub button. I am an affiliate on Twitch, so if you guys would like, I have the link in the description, and you guys should go check it out. So here we are in our next lobby. We've got Jake with a toolbox, and it looks like that's the only item they're bringing for right now. That could change. We still have 35 seconds. There it is! There's a second toolbox. I saw that, Dwight. And then there's a flashlight too. Alright, here we are on Haddonfield. They sent us to Haddonfield, so this match might be a little difficult. Should be an M1. Really? It's an injure. And that was a lot of fun, wasn't it, Jake? Come here. Get on the hook, little lady. I knew this match was going to be annoying. Like, verticality really screws this killer. He goes down. It took us so long to get that. Holy crap. We got him. That's a kill. That's a dead. He's dead. Perfect, Mori. We get a black screen. There he goes. He disconnected too. He's not a happy camper. Hello. Were you the one who sent me to Haddonfield? Were you? Huh? Oh, we see Jake. We see him off in the distance. Yeah, thought I could hit him there. Hello, Yunjin. I see you both now, I guess. Alright, well, Jake finished this gen. We're gonna pick him up. We're gonna hook him. I was really hoping Yunjin would vault the window, but I don't know where the Yunjin is now. She has Pebble. Good news is Hatch spawned right next to me. Bad news, I am playing a very good killer to keep exit gates. What? That wasn't LOS? I'll get these birds off in time. Oh, it's alright. What did you get for throwing a pebble at me? Die! Alright, so here we are getting into our last match. I want to go into the new map to kind of showcase it a little bit. It's a cool looking map. And we're also going to be running the charcoal stick and the silver bell. Silver bell makes it so that swarm survivors are oblivious. And then charcoal stick makes it so that they can't see crows in flight. And we're just going to ready up because they're all ready. They have 2 toolboxes and 2 med kits. Let's get into this last match. Here we are. The last offering they brought was still just blood points. So, we're on the new map. He ran right into us because he was oblivious. That's a hit. Hello! I saw you walking through the window. Let's go. She's probably so upset. She's like, what? This guy's in the middle of nowhere, so we're gonna come over here. You going, buddy? It's a hit. It's down. We hear footsteps below us. Hi, Claudette. Alright, Claudette just farmed him. What are you doing? You're hurting your team so much, Claudette. Oh, I see you. Alright, well, that's still a hit. He actually juked me there and I couldn't see him. He dropped. I'm gonna vault that. I'm gonna go. Oh, that was fun. Come here. He just found the hatch. Okay, yeah. Well, GG's. Unfortunately, I have to record this part of the video for the second time because the first time I did it, my microphone was really, really bad. Luckily, it wasn't too bad for like the majority of the gameplay, but we do have to re-record this outro. I do thank you guys so much for giving me your time, and I do thank you guys so much for giving me your time to watch this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys are starting your days out or just getting ready to go to bed, I hope you guys have good days. I hope you guys have good nights. And for now, I will be heading out. I will see you guys next time.